Tegera rugono rungi ni ati cukuru ya primary ya Kamatungu ni imwe cia cukuru iria igetaga rune ya rais aramisi ezete nyuma ya kuthara kiri matindano ja music festivals. Akiaria mwarimu murungamiri cukuru eze niwe Kiruge Julius ni arombete aciari kugwata mbaru anabao kiriye wabiria bathari metwe ni murungu na byo ni ontubie wabibi no bitweke kaumo kamugate jwa ontuko kire ntuko ciejete. Cukuru eze itindete kire rwimbo rwa kiontwere ruria bainete na ruthiomi rwa Kitharaka. Paul Kabithe na ariungirite cukuru neje na atutumira riboti eje.
Aritoba cukuru ya Kamatungu primary wadini ya Marimanti. Utuika njuru kiri mashindano ma nationals manyimbo mara marendere county ni Muturi ya Meru. Itobara hindi batinda kuibanga ni nuntubo mambura magala na itimara wana mumakalithiro antere wino cia Meru bakaga.
Twaindivaitwa kuthigara imde turi na preparation ya kuibanga kuona kira gintu gisawa manyuge mario koro irio drum irio na interview bya bikongo kite manyuge na mbio tugiakanagia rangi miti tugiaka rangi kuona at least tutiena any doubt like tukaigwa twibangite bwega kuthi kwinagara na to anticipate to ina bwega tukathikinya ucinda ni East Africa.
Mwarimu munene wa cukuru ino bwana Julius Kirugi na oratira mba kwitha nkena ciake no ntoboshindi bobo
bire kudu excellency, and out of that talent, out of that our item that is 276 Kitharaka Fuko song did the best na yathurwa watuika tukathi go participate the Gara nights on Wednesday tariki 13. So our children are back in school. We are preparing. Nikenda tona we shall do well. Na tumba kudi to the city, to the state house concert, which will fall Friday kana Saturday.
Mbitwa ya Kirugi kiri aciari amwe na arimo.
Itukwira aciari betu na region ino yetu Tharaka na Eastern region, we are going to present them perfectly. We shall do our best that we will sell our name well in the Gara night. Now them aribo they nurture them, the mwankabone at least these children in their talent, it can turn to be an economic way of earning living. Kana ya uchikulia talent in light away from the grassroots where we had mwanka up to where we had and abetu batumba kuiwa bena that economic power. Na talent ino itwagiriwe sobera ko I'm calling the parent and the teachers, please katukurieni talent ya naba betu nikenda in the future bomba kutwika no ban they are living in them.
Kamatungu kegwa bari bamwe ba ikundi 36 gakinde guroni biraha birombire kuthurwa kuthikala nae na baumagara ikundi bingi bike bikathurwa kuthikunira rais kuru yake na gupa gazindane na ikundi bingi kiri mashindano ma East Africa kuma chukuru ni Kamatungu nkiripotera Waru TV Mbita Paul Kabithe.